We are in light compounds for Santa Claus, and I have a Coco, and I'm gonna drop this. Hold on. There.
Don't touch. No touch.
Do I have a dot on my face? Like, on my forehead?
No. Why would you have that?